Ziemael is one of my all-time favorite people who I've ever collaborated with or done any sort of business with because A, any 5-minute phone call that should just be a quick question turns into a 2-hour conversation about anything and everything. My favorite kind of business interactions are ones where there is mutual rambling. It is fun. Also, he has a tendency to just drop solid lines that he doesn't mean to. Like this one time I was telling him about something I was going through and he was like, "Go do the thing that you must do." And now all of us quote that on the daily because it applies to everything. Okay, bye friends.